Making money on YouTube was something I've always wanted to do. However, I didn't understand how it worked and how much YouTube would pay according to views. I've seen many people on YouTube who have become millionaires thanks to the platform. And as YouTube pay you for every 1,000 views, the question in my head always was, how much does YouTube pay you per 1,000 views? Well, today I'll answer that question. We'll go through how much YouTube paid me for a video where I got 1,000 views, as well as other videos showcasing my RPM. Now you're probably asking, what is RPM? RPM is revenue per melee, and that essentially means is how much you get paid per 1,000 views. Now a lot of people get RPM and CPM confused. CPM stands for cost per melee, and this essentially means how much the video has made per 1,000 views. Because there's one thing you've got to understand, YouTube take a 40% cut and the rest is yours. So CPM is how much the video is made overall, and RPM is what you made from the video. So to start making money off YouTube, unfortunately you can't just start a YouTube channel tomorrow, make some content and start earning money. This used to be a thing in the early days of YouTube. However, now you need to join something called the YouTube Partner Program. To join the YouTube Partner Program, you need to have over 4,000 hours of watch time and 1,000 subscribers. Now personally, I managed to do this in just over a year. I initially started making videos on cars, including my personal car. However, the more I did these type of videos, the less I enjoyed them. I then decided to switch to the finance niche, and I think this was the best decision I made. I enjoy talking about making money and helping others just like myself earn money online. Now, how much YouTube pays you depends on your niche. The average YouTuber earns $5 to $10 per 1,000 views. However, there are channels with RPMs as high as $40 to $50 per 1,000 views. Now, why do some channels get paid more than others? The reason for this is dependent on their niche. So before I explain why, let's understand which niches are high paying. So here are some of the highest paying niches on YouTube. They include finance, make money online, investing, technology, cars, and tutorials. And here are some of the lowest paying niches on YouTube. They include vlogs, gaming, and pranks. So the reason why a niche about finance has a higher RPM is because finance advertisers generally have more money to spend, and so do their target audience. Hence why you get paid more. So let me show you some examples of some channels. So let's have a look at this channel over here. This is Mark Tilbury and his niche is finance. So if we have a look at his channel stats, you can see in the past month he's got 1.3 million views. So let's work out how much he's made in the past month. So the way to work this out is if we add his views onto the calculator, what we do is divide it by 1,000. Then what we do is we times it by his RPM. Now with finance, the RPM is around $20 to about $30. So let's just say $20. He would have made $26,000 last month. And if you go to this channel over here called Chills, they mainly do scary videos. So if we have a look at their channel stats, you can see they've got 4.3 million views in the past month. So again, same thing, we put the views in the calculator and we divide it by 1,000. And then what we do is we times it by the RPM. Now again, with entertainment and scary videos, you're looking at an RPM around $5. So if we just times that by 5, and as you can see last month they made over $21,000. You can see they got nearly 4 times the views that Mark Tilbury did last month, and yet they made 5 grand less in that month. And again, this is because of their niche. Also, you can increase your RPM. The way to increase your RPM is to make videos longer than 8 minutes. If we have a look here, this is one of my videos which is longer than 8 minutes. And if the video is longer than 8 minutes, you can add ads in the middle of your content rather than just the start or the end. So if I click on over here where it says manage mid-rolls, you can see that I've added ad breaks on the actual video itself, and I've added around 5 ad breaks on the video. Also, I'd recommend to space your ads by around 2 minutes so it doesn't affect your audience retention. So let's have a look at a couple of my videos so you can see what my RPM is and how much I got paid. So if we have a look at my latest video, which as you can see only got 156 views, but it made me £1.11, which to be honest isn't bad for 156 views. The RPM was quite high at £7.10, which is roughly around $9. Now the RPM fluctuates a lot, and this depends on multiple things like how much advertisers are looking to pay at certain times, your audience demographics, etc. If we look at a similar video, now this video did get over 1,000 views and I got paid £2.47. Now considering the other video only got 156 views, yet I was paid half of what I got paid on this video. Now you're probably thinking, why did that happen? Now the reason is this video, albeit was shown mainly to US countries, but the second country was India and other lower ranked countries. That's why the RPM was as low as £2 on this video, whereas the other video was predominantly the US, and that's why the RPM was a lot higher. So there you have it guys, that's how much YouTube paid me for 1,000 views. But bear in mind, with YouTube you can make money in so many other ways like affiliate marketing, sponsorships, as well as selling digital products. If you want to know how to sell digital products, make sure you click this video right over here and I'll see you guys there.